In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a website to Pinterest. To start, open your usual web browser on your computer. In the search bar at the top, type the word Pinterest, then press enter. You should see search results that mention Pinterest as a visual discovery platform, often with the familiar red logo shaped like a letter P. Once you see the results page, look for the official Pinterest link near the top and click that to open it. On the Pinterest page, click the Sign In button, usually near the top right. Enter your email and password, or choose one of the sign-in options you normally use. After you sign in, your home feed appears, filled with pins related to your interests. Now that you are logged in, move your eyes to the top right corner of the screen. There you will see your profile picture or a colored circle with your initials. Click that profile picture once. Your profile page opens, showing your name, bio, and any boards or pins you have already created. Next up, we will move into your profile settings. On your profile page, look near your name and bio for the Edit Profile button and click it. Some accounts instead show a small gear icon near the top, which also opens settings when you click it. After clicking, a panel or page appears with several fields for your display name, username, bio, and contact details. With that panel open, scroll down slowly until you find the field labeled Website. You might see it grouped with other profile details, all stacked in a single column. Beginners sometimes scroll too fast and miss it, so move gently until you clearly see the word Website beside an empty box. At this point, click inside the Website field so your cursor appears in the box. Now type or paste your full website URL, including the beginning part like HTTP or www if your address uses it. Check the spelling carefully, because Pinterest will use exactly what you put here when people visit your profile. If you paste from another tab, make sure you did not add any extra spaces before or after the address. After you have entered your website, look toward the bottom of this settings panel. You will see a Save button. Click Save once. Pinterest applies your change right away, and the panel updates. When you return to your profile view, your website now appears in your profile details and visitors can click it. You have just added your website to your Pinterest profile, so anyone viewing your profile can easily visit your site. If this helped you connect your site to Pinterest, please give the video a quick thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more clear Pinterest tips.